Hey guys, what's up? It's Wendy. Today is my June 2019 BOXYCHARM unboxing. So I just got this in the mail yesterday and the box shape is different, I noticed. It's thicker and it seems to be a little bit smaller. So it's definitely a different shape, so I'm curious to see what's in it. I did get the email where it gave me a couple little teasers, so I think I know like 3 of the items, but honestly I forgot. So when you open it up, it looks like this. And this month, the theme is BOXYCHARM Getaway. So I don't want to read the card too much because I don't want to see exactly what I have in here. So I'm just gonna reach right in. First thing I have is this No Pore Prime Essence from Touch in Soul. And I have seen a few people review this and I wanna say it's kind of like a serum. Okay, so this is what that looks like. Oh my gosh, that is a very interesting little applicator thing right there. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand just to see. Oh yeah, it is definitely like a serum. Whoa, okay. Oh, it smells good. It smells a lot like the other one that I have from them. It's just like really light and fresh. Oh, that smells so good. So yeah, it's definitely like a serum. I like that. Let's see what it says it's supposed to do here. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Soul No Pore Prime Essence infused with calendula something flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky, silky smooth. Okay, I don't usually like pore filling primers because I feel like they're too tightening, but this seems more like a serum, so I feel like this might be good for my dry skin. So, all right, that's cool. I really like that brand, so. All right, next thing I see in here, Skin & Co. Whipped Cleansing Cream. So this is what that looks like. I have not seen this at all in any other boxes. I have watched a couple unboxings so far this month and I haven't seen this one at all. Also, make sure you watch till the end and I'll tell you what my box variation number is and the weight of the box. Oh, and also how much it's worth. So Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. So I will say, I do enjoy, ooh, that smells good. Oh, that reminds me of a vacation. Oh my goodness, this smells really good. I enjoy getting cleansers in my box because I just like to throw these in the shower. And then when I shower at night, it helps, like this says it removes makeup too. I love just throwing these in my shower. I have my Glam Glow one in there right now. So I am a fan of getting these cleansers. If any of it's gonna be skincare, I would rather get a cleanser. So good job, BOXYCHARM. Oh, and by the way, the Touch in Soul primer is $23. And then this one, this cleanser right here, it says banish dull skin with truffle therapy whipped cleansing cream. This luxurious cream formula gently and effectively removes all makeup and impurities while hydrating dry and sensitive skin. Perfect for me. And this retails for $25. All right, so I do see another little skincare item in here. Oh, we got 3 of them. Ooh, I got sheet masks. Okay, so these, let's see here, what they look like. These are from Wonder. They're a Mackie, I don't know what that word is. A berry antioxidant, an intensive sheet mask that works to correct pigmentation, boost radiance, and deeply hydrate for a brighter, even-toned complexion. Okay, I really enjoy getting masks, so that's great. And to get 3 of them, I feel like we usually only ever get 2 of them. So this one, let's see. Yeah, a trio pack, and these retail for $9. So $3 a mask. All right, next thing I have in here is the Tartist. Is that how you say it? Tartist? Pro Glow 3. So this is a cheek palette. Glow Level Extreme. Oh boy. This is like a really hefty feeling little palette. It's heavy. It's really cool packaging. So you kind of open it like this. And then it's got a little thing here. And then it's got 2 little mirrors. That's nice. So yeah, it looks to have 2 little blushes, 2 highlighters, and 2, well, 1 I would say contour and 3 highlighters here. But those are really, really pretty. I'll go ahead and swatch them real fast for you guys. right, so that is what all of these little swatches look like. This is very, very pretty. And this retails for $45. It just says Pro Glow Cheek Palette V3 formulated with Amazonian clay, delivers streak and fade-free flawless wear. Tap into the blush, highlighter, and bronze shades for a sculpted dimensional look. So, all right, thank you, Tarte. And then the last thing in here, this is what I was most excited about. I saw on my email that we were getting this and I got so excited. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. This is from the Lemonade collection. And this is the lip gloss in Peach Tea. And oh my gosh, I was so excited about this. I watched all of her videos about this new launch, and they're so pretty. Like, look at the packaging. So that is what this looks like. It is a beautiful color. And I've heard that it smells absolutely amazing. Okay, so, oh my gosh, that does smell so good. It smells like cupcakes. Feels good. It's not sticky or anything. Doesn't really give off too much of a color. Like, I think it'd be pretty over like a different color lipstick, maybe like a nude or something like that. But really excited that we got this. I'm gonna be probably throwing that in my bag that I use every day, and that'll probably be kind of one of my everyday lip glosses. So that one retails for $17. First, I'm gonna check my email really fast because on my last BOXYCHARM unboxing, I had people asking about the box weight, and I didn't even know that you could find that out and why you wanted to find it out, but I get it now because if my box weighs the same weight that yours is, then you probably have the same one as me. So I will say I have variation number 1. It says right down here at the bottom. And then, let's see, $119. So that's pretty darn good. Overall, I'm happy with it. So it says it weighs 2 pounds. Wow. Yeah, this box is 2 pounds. So I hope I gave you guys all the information that you need. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you all enjoy the box that you get. I'm happy with mine. So, all right, we'll see you guys all soon. Bye.